getting ready to get started for the day, so make sure you stick around and see how much we get done on this wall. Alright, so we're going to get started. I'm going to go ahead and take the insulation off just like I did the last time, get everything off the wall, make sure the plastic's sealed and clean, and then we're going to go ahead and put everything back. So we're going to get you guys on time lapse so you can watch. Alright, I had to move you because I don't know if you can see, I got pipe and everything here, but this counter goes against the wall. So I need to get this moved. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. So I think what I'm gonna do is actually move all this stuff, and I'm just gonna run my saw back and cut this off as straight as I can, so that way I can still slide back in here. And there is enough give in these pipes that I can move it, and I'll be able to slide a piece of drywall back in behind there. Hey, and when you're cutting old countertops, especially this laminate stuff, be careful because the edges can actually be very sharp. I just bumped the edge where I was cutting. So I just bumped it right here, taking a piece off, and that's where I cut it. So this part I gotta cut by hand because I can't get the saw in there because it's too close to that. And for those that are wondering why I don't take this cabinet straight to the wall, let me show you why. Yeah, that's the clean out for the drains coming from the showers and some of the sinks. So I can't block that in case I ever need to get to it. I mean, thankfully, most of the drains for the rest of the plumbing are in a different location on the other side of this wall, but I need to keep this one clear. All right, just realized that the other camera shut off on me, but you can see what we got here. It's all sealed up much better than it was. If you would have seen me doing back here in the corner, you would have saw it looked like a comedy show going on. But you can see it's all sealed up nice now. Now on the drywall. All right, you saw I got all the drywall up. Now we're gonna go ahead and get some of the joint compound on there, but I'm not worried about getting it finished today. I just at least want to get it started. to show you how I do weird joints like this one right here. This has too many different angles, so let me show you how we do this. This is the easiest way I figured out. First, we're going to start by just covering the whole area. But can't leave it like that or it'll crack. So, piece of newspaper. Now we just let that dry. But we're going to clean up that joint. Yeah, and that's the easiest way I can figure out to do a weird spot with the newspaper. You just got to be careful. Once you get it on there and it gets wet with the joint compound, you don't want to move it around because it will wrinkle. And the easiest way is just to kind of smooth it out, let it sit. So there we go. And we're going to wrap it up for the day. If you want to see where we're at for the next day, go ahead and hit subscribe and like if you could. I'd appreciate it.